In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass emails in Zoho CRM. If you're looking to reach out to a large number of contacts or leads efficiently, Zoho CRM has got you covered with a robust mass email feature. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you get the most out of this functionality. First, start by opening the desired module within Zoho CRM. This might be your contacts, leads, or any custom module you have set up. Selecting the right module is crucial because it defines the audience for your mass email. Once you're in the appropriate module, you'll notice a list of records. These records represent the individuals or businesses you have in your database. Next, select the records you want to send your email to by using the checkboxes provided next to each entry. This selection process might vary depending on how many people you aim to reach. Whether you want to email a few dozen or a few thousand, using checkboxes makes it easy to focus your communication on the right people. Once you've selected your desired records, take a look at the top menu and click on Actions. From the drop-down, you'll want to choose Mass Email and then click on Plus Create Mass Email. This will bring up a pop-up where you can set all the details for your mass email. Inside this pop-up, the first thing you'll want to do is select an email template. Zoho CRM allows you to design and save templates in advance, so this step can be as simple or as detailed as you want it to be. Selecting the correct template is essential for ensuring that your email resonates well with your chosen audience. Next, decide on the From address. This is the email address that will be visible to your recipients. Typically, you would want to use an email address that is recognizable to your contacts, perhaps a team address or a generic company email. Now, you have the choice of sending your emails immediately or scheduling them for later. If your email is time-sensitive, sending it now might be the best option. Otherwise, scheduling allows you to plan ahead and choose a time when your audience is most likely to engage. As an additional option, Zoho CRM lets you set up follow-up actions. These actions can be triggered by specific recipient behaviors, such as opening the email, clicking on links, or email bounces. While setting this up is optional, it can provide valuable insights into how your recipients are interacting with your emails. Finally, when everything is set up just the way you want, click Send if you're ready to dispatch the emails immediately, or choose Schedule if you've opted for a later send time. Ensure you double-check all your settings to avoid any potential hiccups. And there you have it. Sending mass emails in Zoho CRM can be a powerful way to communicate with your audience en masse, while also tracking engagement and follow-up actions. With this easy process, you'll be managing your mass emails like a pro in no time.